Long ago, in this vast nation, the animals roamed these lands long before us, standing as silent witnesses to the passage of time.
Our old people belong to this country, the sky, the land, and the water.
This land has many stories to tell. Today, we share the diverse cultures that thrive here in the place that we all call home. Together, we unite, embracing both past and present.
We dance together, united in our diversity.
Bound by the unbreakable thread of belonging.
This is our story.
Traveling in a fried-out combi on a hippie trailhead full of zombies. I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. She took me in and gave me breakfast. And she said, do you come from a land down under, where women glow and men plunder? Can't you hear that thunder? You better run, you better take cover. You better run, you better take cover. I come from a land down under. I come from a land down under. I come from a land down under. Land down under. Buying bread from a man in Brussels. He was 6'4" and full of muscles. I said, do you speak my language? And he just smiled and gave me a Vegemite sandwich. And he said, I come from a land down under, where women glow and men plunder. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. You better run, you better take cover. I come from a land down under. 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 You better run, you better take cover.
Our story is about the deep connection between the animals, people, and the place. It tells you about the past and the present, and how diverse cultures have come together as a group.
To create our performance, we handmade our grass skirts, collect sticks to make ribbons, paint our bodies with ochre, practice on Wednesday every week, had dress rehearsals leading up to the performance.